Trigonometric functions, exact values of trigonometric functions of widely used angles. Okay, so to find the trigonometric ratios of various angles, first we have to form a tabular column like this: theta 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Okay, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. 0, half, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Okay, now to find the cos theta, you just reverse these elements. 1, first write this 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0, which means when sin theta attains minimum, cos theta attains maximum. Okay, in the 0 degree, sin becomes minimum. Okay, 0. In the 0 degree, cos becomes maximum. Okay, cos value becomes 1. Similarly, when sin value becomes maximum, that is sin value when if the value of sin is 1, then the value of cos is 0. Okay, at 90 degree the value of sin theta is maximum and cos theta is minimum. Similarly, at 0 degree the value of sin theta is minimum, that is 0, and cos theta is maximum. Okay, so at 0 degree the sin theta minimum, cos theta maximum, but at 90 degree sin theta maximum, that is whose value is 1, and cos theta minimum. Okay, to find tan theta, you just divide cos theta by sin theta by cos theta. So 1 by 0 by 1, 0 by 1 is 0, 2 cancel, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 is 1, 2 cancel, root 3, 1 divided by 0 is infinity. Okay, so sin 0 degree is equal to 0, cos sin 30 degree equal to 1 by 2, sin 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2, sin 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2, sin 90 degree equal to 1, cos 0 degree equal to 1, cos 30 degree equal to root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree equal to 1 by 2, cos 90 degree equal to 0, tan 0 degree equal to 0, tan 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3, tan 45 degree equal to 1, tan 60 degree equal to root 3, tan 90 degree equal to infinity. Okay, so fundamental identities: sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay, now we are going to find the sin for t ratio. Okay, so consider quadrant. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant, value ranges from 0 degree to 90 degree. In the second quadrant, 90 degree to 180 degree. In the third quadrant 180 degree to 270 degree. In the fourth quadrant 270 degree to 360 degree. Okay, in the first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. Okay, in the first quadrant all the trigonometric ratios sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta all are positive. In the second quadrant sin theta positive, sin theta and its reciprocal cosecant theta are positive. In the third quadrant tan theta and its reciprocal cot theta are positive, remaining are negative. In the fourth quadrant cos theta and its reciprocal secant theta are positive, remaining are negative. Okay, so the first quadrant all trigonometric ratios sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta all are positive. In the second quadrant sin theta and cosecant theta are positive. In the third quadrant tan theta and cot theta are positive, remaining are negative. In the fourth quadrant cos theta and secant theta are positive. Okay, so the remaining t ratios are negative. So t ratios are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. First quadrant theta ranges from 0 to 90 degree. All trigonometric ratios are positive. In the second quadrant 90 degree to 180 degree, sin theta positive, cosecant theta positive, remaining are negative. In the third quadrant, that is 180 degree to 270 degree, sin theta positive, cot theta positive, sin theta, cos theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, the remaining are negative. Okay, sin theta, tan theta, cot theta are positive in the third quadrant. Okay, fourth quadrant theta ranges from 270 degree to 360 degree. Cos theta and its reciprocal secant theta are positive, the remaining are negative.